Okey, sekarang basikal English ke Melayu ni? Oh, okey. Sekarang ni basikal purba ni, Polygon T8 2018. An old version with my change of TRP brake, with my grip, I also forgot. P&W component with OEM, what you call it, Folk 150 Revelation. Okay, brake rotor is Shimano iStack. What I love with this brake, the modulating is super. No need to worry for my emergency brake. Why is it 200 for best braking lah? The bigger it is, the better the braking. And my bag is 180 lah. It's still superb lah with this brake TRP DH. Then goes to my frame 2018. What I say with my rear shock OEM 1x11 P&W component dropper seat post, TRP brake set behind with Onyx. Don't forget my Onyx hub, the silence hub. My hub, I love it because it's very silent. It's a silent killer lah. This frame without bottle holder, I modified it to put up that magnetic bottle. That's why I love it. It's compact. Okay, this is my what you call that, sensor to see my cadence and my speed. That's for monitoring lah. Okay, my pedal Adeti Black Cat. It's superb. It grip your shoe and you will feel better. Hi guys, I'm Rizal with my bike of Polygon T8 2018, and this is all about my bike and me on the nature and with my bike check. Okay, now I'm Rizal here with my T8 2018 T8 bike check. Boleh.
Terima kasih. Amazing. Nanti tengok, jangan lupa tengok dekat YouTube channel.